Hi guys, welcome back on Tech Aid. We are providing you practical solutions to your problems, whether it's a simple hack or a step-by-step guide. We have got you covered. In this video, I will gonna show you that how to tag someone on Snapchat story. First of all, you can open the Snapchat application. I can already open the app. After opening the app, you can just simply tap on the snap icon and click a photo or record a video by tapping on the circle icon. I can click a photo. After clicking the photo, you can just simply tap on the third option, and after tapping on this you can see the option mention. Tap on mention, and here you can just simply write the username of the person that you tag on Snapchat story, and it is a way you can mention someone on Snapchat story. If you want to keep your online activity private and access to restricted contents like I do, trying using a VPN. It's secure, easy to use, and makes the browsing safer. The link to buy is in the description below. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more practical solutions. Got questions or need extra help, drop a comment below and we will be happy to assist. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching.